In this video, I am talking about how to change the font size on Google Chrome. You can zoom in and zoom out web page. Now, here you can change the browser font size.